In this video, we will discuss a word problem related to percentage. The problem states that Sofia paid 3 by 8 of her salary as a house rent. Find percentage of house rent and of remaining amount. Firstly, we will find percentage of house rent. It is given that she paid 3 by 8 of her salary as a house rent. So to find percentage of house rent, we will multiply 3 by 8 with 100%. So when 3 by 8 is multiplied by 100%, we get 300 divided by 8%. When we divide 300 by 8, we get 37.5%. So percentage of house rent is 37.5%. Now we will find percentage of remaining amount, which is equal to total percentage of total amount, that is 100%, minus percentage of house rent, which is 37.5%, and it is equal to 62.5%. So percentage of remaining amount is 62.5%.